What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this week's video we are checking out for sale a one-level, two-bedroom, two-bathroom home in Riberas del Pilar, which is in between Chapala and Aguijic. It's a great location. This two-bedroom, two-bathroom is located in the new gated community of Real Riberas. The house we're going to see today is only 2 years old. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, hit that notification button and consider giving the video a thumbs up. Check out the newsletter. It's free, it comes out every month. We're talking about new listings coming on the market, things to do around this area of Lake Chapala. So without further ado, come with me today. Let's go and check out this one-level property in Real Riberas. The video is on its way. Welcome to Casa Real in Riberas del Pilar. Real de Riberas is a lovely little gated community of 30 homes. You have a clubhouse with a heated swimming pool and a little get-together area. I'll show you the clubhouse and the common area at the end of the video. As we can see from the get-go here, you have space for 2 vehicles under the carport. The lot size is 289 square meters, which is 3,011 square feet, and the construction comes out at 175 square meters, that is 1,884 square feet. Let me walk you through the property. As we come in on our right hand side, we have a large open plan kitchen. The surfaces are topped off with a nice finished granite. I really like the space that they've created here in the kitchen. You have lots of surface space to work with, lots of cabinetry. I mean, it's just a well-appointed kitchen. So what I really like about these homes is the beautiful boveda ceilings. I mean, that, for the size of property, is a humongous boveda ceiling. What a great size room. This is where you're gonna have your dining room table, your living room. And here to my left-hand side, this is like a little nook that could easily be turned into an office space. It's got some natural light coming in here, but it's a good space for a little TV nook, an office nook, something like that would work perfectly. As we come out, we can see we're actually coming under a covered terrace here, coming out to the garden area. So if you have a dog, this would be really nice. Or if you just wanted to do something with this garden, put some nice landscaping in, get a hot tub, all of that is possible. Even, I'd say, even a little pool would work quite well in here. You might be wondering, yeah, you can actually get into the property down on the side here, so that's perfect for the gardener. So here to my right hand side, if I can just point this out just here, this is where we're gonna find the principal bedroom. And the other one is at the front of the property. Let me walk you back in just so you get an idea of exactly how everything is. The principal bedroom is topped off with this beautiful boveda ceiling. And as I mentioned, it comes out to the garden area. So the principal bedroom comes with a walk-in closet and an ensuite bathroom, as you can imagine. Good sized walk-in closet. And that leads us into the ensuite bathroom. You have a double sink vanity and a walk-in shower. Hi guys, let me take you into the other part of the property. As I mentioned here on my right hand side, this is perfect space for a little office, a little nook, TV space. In between that room and the other bedroom, we have a service room with a boiler. This is where you're going to put your washer and dryer. Next to that, we have another complete bathroom, 1 sink vanity and a walk-in shower. And this is the second bedroom. So this bedroom will be facing north, it's a little bit cooler than the other one. Also topped off with a boveda ceiling. Both of the rooms are a good size. But plenty of storage here with the built-ins. So come with me guys, I'm gonna close off the video showing you the clubhouse. You have a lovely heated pool, a nice little common area where you can get together with your friends and neighbors. As you can see in the distance there, you can see that you've got the view of the mountains. This is the main gate coming in. So you have a 24-hour guard here. So this is what we have here. We have a nice swimming pool. I like decking around the pool. That makes it feel a lot more relaxed. And you have a little area out here where you can actually get together with friends, family, and just enjoy a bite to eat. You've got a grill over there on my left-hand side. So it's sort of kitted out well for a little party, you know, a little get together. Also, we have 2 bathrooms and a little sink as well for cleaning up. So really just a well-appointed clubhouse. So there we have it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed the video today. You can find all the information about this property down below in the description. If you would like to come and see this property, feel free to contact me. My email is here on the screen. That's about it from me. Take care of yourselves. I hope you're having a wonderful time wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you in the next video. Hasta luego, amigos.